let's start cook.
Start the cook.
Well done. Hi everyone and welcome to a new vlog. In today's video, as you can see, we got a special guest. We got Hugo with us. We've been outside to pick some blackberries and now we're gonna show you how to do an apple and blackberry crumble. It's an extremely easy recipe and can be classified as comfort food recipe for sure.
Yeah.
Would you like to say anything, Daddy?
Yeah.
Say that. Are you happy to cook with Daddy?
Happy to cook.
Well done. Okay, let's go through the ingredients and we're gonna show you step by step how to do it. So for today's video we got a different setup, but we're gonna try to make it work and to understand something from the recipe as well, because I want you to see Hugo as well, how he enjoys cooking and how we cook together. So ingredients for today I got here a few apples, 6 of them. I got some blackberries from the garden, around 100-150 grams. Flour, it's plain flour.
Apples.
We got here some butter, sugar, a little bit of vanilla essence, some sugar with vanilla in it. You want it? There you go. And I got a little bit of cinnamon. Shall I help you? These are all the ingredients, and when we do it, I'm gonna explain you all the quantities. Let's start cook.
Start the cook.
Well done. Now, until I prep the apples, Hugo will do the crumble on his own. Yeah. So I got here a spoon. It's a normal spoon. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoons of flour. Always I put half of the quantity of sugar. So we got 1, 2, and Hugo 3. Perfect. And we're gonna put the same amount of butter. 1, 2 and a half, and another half, so we got 3. And now Hugo will do it like this. Just mix it all together with your hands, yeah? In the meanwhile, I will peel the apples. Now after 5-6 minutes of mixing, Hugo finished the crumble. As you can see, he tried it as well. Don't try this at home. Now I show you how I dice the apples and how we do all the mix. Who is there? Say hi. Say hi, Daddy.
I'm eating.
You wanna give them some blackberries as well? Ask them. Would you like some? Have some. Say, have some. What did Daddy and Mommy teach you? It's nice to share. So share some. That's how you share, Daddy. You stuff them all into your mouth. That's not nice sharing. Ask on the camera, Daddy, if somebody would like some blackberries. Hey, why did you hide down there? Excuse me.
Eating.
Yeah, I know you're eating, but you should stand up.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Well done.
2, 1. One me.
Yeah, just you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Let's do the mix, Daddy, to show to everybody how we do the crumble. Yeah? So we did take a bowl. I have here a plastic bowl, and we're gonna put in the apples. I'm gonna show you on fast speed the whole recipe. Of course, Hugo will help me with all the process, and I'm gonna leave the full recipe in the description with all the ingredients and quantities. So we put in a bowl the all of the blackberries and apples. Now I'm gonna take sugar. I'm gonna put 2.5 spoons. I'm gonna put 1 vanilla sugar in, and I'm gonna put a drop of vanilla essence.
And put in.
And what goes better with apple than cinnamon? You wanna put?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's more than enough.
Mm.
You wanna put the sugar as well?
Yay.
It's not gonna be too sweet.
Yay.
You like it too sweet?
3.
Okay, let's put this one as well. Well done. Okay, let's mix it all nicely. And what we do after? Do you know what we do after? Now it's all mixed and combined. I got the oven on 170 degrees. I'm gonna tray up everything. I'm gonna show you exactly how. And we're gonna put it in the oven to cook.
Yuck.
What do you mean yuck? Mmm, that's yummy. Hugo wanna try as well? Yum, yum. Delicious.
More.
Yeah. Magic. Well done. So, Hugo got here a tray. I'm gonna put the apples with the blackberries in. Hugo's gonna put it, not me. You lay them down nicely. Just make sure you put them as even as possible.
Yummy.
Is it yummy? And now I got here the crumble which Hugo made earlier. We're gonna put it on top. Okay, this is going in the oven. I will leave it in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees.
Yeah. I shut the door.
After 25 minutes it's ready to be served. Thanks everyone for watching this episode. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like if you would like more videos with Hugo, please give us a comment in the comment section and let us know, and we're gonna record more together. Everyone, and I see you on next Sunday with a new comfort food dish. Bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.